Welcome back to another video. It's Vicky. We're going to do a quick unboxing and comparison of the mini grocery basket, fruit basket from Pottery Barn to the IKEA Duktig 9-piece fruit basket. The Pottery Barn one retails for $29. It includes a metal basket, apple, banana, orange juice, pineapple, strawberry, orange juice, and pineapple juice. So we'll do a quick comparison of that one to the 9-piece fruit basket Duktig, which includes a soft basket instead of a metal basket. It then includes a piece of watermelon, which is missing, 1 banana, 2 apples, 1 kiwi, 2 oranges, and 1 grape set. So let's slide that aside. The Pottery Barn did come in a plastic, but that's annoying to hear, so I pulled that off. All right. Under 10 minutes is always my goal. All right, the fruit basket is a 10-piece. Warning, don't give kids under the age of 3. And made in China. But I don't have any other information on this. I can't figure out who, I'm assuming Melissa and Doug, but I don't have 100% information on if Pottery Barn subcontracts to brand these. I assume they do. I should get the Melissa and Doug comparable and do that. But that would be very similar price. I like the IKEA comparable because it's so much cheaper. All right, so let's do a quick rundown. The basket for its dimensions is supposed to be 7.5 long. It's about 7.25 on the website, but it looks about 7.5. Let's see, 5.5 inches wide. That's pretty accurate. And then it says 3 3/4 high. That's pretty good. And I also just unboxed these baskets are identical. I just also did the basket set, mini grocery basket set from Pottery Barn. These baskets seem interchangeable, which makes sense for their production. All right, let's pull these items out. What do we got? So first up from Pottery Barn, we have, already did the basket. Let's do the apple then. Apple. Oh, yeah. This apple is beautiful. All right, so we have 1 apple, 2 bananas. Not all of these are branded with the PBK label. It seems that the pineapple has it, but not all of them. All right, so we have 1 apple, 2 bananas, 1 orange, strawberries, 2. Oh, these are adorable. Look at how little these are. Orange juice, pineapple juice. And I missed the pineapple. Yeah. All right. So there. That's what all comes in this box set. All right. So we already measured the basket. Threw that out of the way. First up, we'll do the apple. All right. So the apple is 2.5 diameter, 2.75 wide. Sure. So just shy of 2 3/4 wide, and then about 2 inches high. So that's pretty good. Do I have a comparable? IKEA has the half-piece apples, so not quite a true comparable. Yeah, so that's good. We'll slide that aside. Yeah, no, those are tomatoes in my other one. All right, so apple, the bananas. These are cute. They're just blobs of yellow, but they do have like the stem and the butt. So these are really cute. All right, so the banana is 4 2/4 long and 1.5 inches wide. Yeah, that's pretty good. 4 1/4, a little over 1 inch. 2 of those. In comparison, the IKEA one is a single banana. And it has Velcro that you can close it. So that is adorable. No peelability of the Pottery Barn. And the IKEA one is. So that one's adorable. All right. 2 bananas. Let's do the orange. 2 1/4 and 2. All right. So 1 piece orange, 2 1/4. 2.5, 2.5. Yeah. So it's almost a sphere. All right. The IKEA has a 2-piece mandarin. It does not Velcro together, and so that's not an easy comparable. But the Pottery Barn is nice and squishy. I really like that. Next up is the pineapple, 2.5 wide by 3 inches high. Sure, a little over 2.5, and then 3 inches high, not to include the felt tip. So that's cute. I like the layers on that. There is an IKEA in a different, it's this shopping basket from IKEA. I think it's the Lasting line. Their pineapple is similar design, squishier, whereas the Pottery Barn is firmer. Throw that out of the way. All right, we last have 2 little strawberries, which are adorable. 1.5 inches by 1 inch wide. All right, yeah, whatever. These are pretty much 1.5 inches round every way. Not as deep, but that's fine. These have, this is actually stitching. It's pink stitching instead of a marker or paint, so that's nice. It should not, you know, come off as the kids chew on it. If it unstitches and unravels, that's fine, but it's not going to be unsafe for them, so that's nice. And then 2 little juices. It's an orange juice and a pineapple. Dimensions the same, 1.5 inches square by 3 3/4 high. So almost 4 inches, arguably a little bit taller. Woohoo! Yeah, about 1.5 inches. So those are pretty fair. The other IKEA container does come with an orange juice, so got 2 of those. My kid's definitely going to eat one of them, so it's not that big of a deal. All right, so that is the IKEA. Correction, the mini grocery basket, fruit basket from Pottery Barn. The IKEA basket is a little bit different. Comes with the oranges, banana. It has a piece of watermelon that's missing. There's a second piece of apple that I dropped. I wish these were Velcro to stick together. 1 piece grape and a random kiwi. Another comparable from IKEA is the shopping basket, which comes with a pineapple, an eggplant, a pepper, this baguette, which is adorable. My dogs keep taking that. Piece of cheese, some sausage, 1 piece of fish, which is double-sided, and then random 3 bow tie pasta, which are attached. In comparing, I really like the Pottery Barn one. The IKEA one, the value though. This is currently normally $29, sale the date on Christmas Eve down to $20. So Pottery Barn always has sales. You just need to keep an eye out. Or if you do their card, which I haven't signed up for, but I'm sure there's sales with that. I just can't speak. I'm not educated on that to speak to it. But the little Pottery Barn basket is adorable. All right, if you have any questions, leave them below. And thank you so much. Take care.